go have a look.
Manor Homes at Whitehall is a private 31-acre neighborhood set just above the shores of Beverly Cove in Massachusetts' North Shore. Each of the 28 properties is custom built to include all the amenities you would expect in a luxury home, carefully planned to function for your particular lifestyle. Each property is nestled among mature maple, oak, and evergreen trees, several offering views of the ocean. Streets feature wide sidewalks, low traffic, and pleasing historic lighting to create a classic New England setting. From Manor Homes, you can walk to Brackenbury Beach or have dinner in Beverly's historic downtown. You can relax in the casual grace of the North Shore and still reach downtown Boston in about 30 minutes by road or 45 minutes by rail. Route 128 is less than a mile away, and Beverly offers 3 train stops.